Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install T3 Arena on your Android device. Whether you are using a smartphone or tablets, here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom and go to the search box at the top. Now, type in T3 Arena. From the search results, look for the T3 Arena from XD Entertainment Pte Limited and then tap Install right next to it. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection at this point, and once the download is completed, you will be able to find the game in the app drawer. So that's how you can easily download and install T3 Arena on your tablets or your smartphones. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.